In this video, I'll be showing you how you can capture a window of any video that is playing. It could be on your PC or it could be from the internet, and you want it to be displayed on your live stream. Let's get started. So first things first, let us make sure that we are connected to the internet. If you want to capture a video from the internet, yeah, I'm already connected. Then let us find the video that you want to be captured on the internet. So my video is on YouTube. I want to capture a video on YouTube, and yes, let me see. The video is on my channel. Here is my channel, and the video that I want to capture is maybe, yeah, this one right here. This is a video of my city. I'll just play it. Okay, so when you're capturing a video on YouTube, you need to make sure that the audio of this video on YouTube is really high, like it's on 100%. The reason why I'm not playing it is because it will interfere with my audio right here, but make sure that the volume is in and is playing. Yeah, so once that's done, put this video in full screen. Yes, put this video in full screen and make sure that you increase its quality to the best that there is. The best that there is. If it's 1080, then do that. If it's if it's in super high HD, then do that as well. And one more thing, you need to consider your internet. If your internet is lagging or might not be that strong, then consider using maybe the lower quality. Yeah, but at least it shouldn't be below 1080. So once we have this in full screen, what we shall do is click on the Windows button. Yes, click on the Windows button and then come here to OBS Studio. Once in OBS Studio, add another source which is called window capture. This one right here, add this source that is called window capture, and maybe you can call it anything. I'll just name it my video. Then immediately it will capture the video that is in full screen. If you have multiple windows open, you can come here to window and select the window that is being and select the window that you want it to capture. And if in case it is not capturing that, you can go ahead and check through these capture methods, automatic, it could be BIT setting, it could be this. So you know what, just go through all these settings and I'm sure you will definitely capture that video. Then the other thing, we have this option of capture audio. Yes, just say yes, capture audio, capture cursor. You might not want this, whereby in case you are toggling through your video on YouTube, your cursor should not be captured, because someone who is watching will immediately know that, oh, you're capturing this video from YouTube or from some other source. So you know what, just leave that where it is. Then I think the rest are okay. Just click on OK. Unfortunately, my video has stopped. Let me just play it back. Hit on Windows, come back here. So once this is done, just transition it there and make sure that this desktop audio is on. Desktop audio is what we use to capture a video that is playing on some other from some other platform. Now, like in my case here, is playing from YouTube, so I need to make sure that I capture the desktop audio. So once you're live streaming or you're recording and you're capturing this video from YouTube or Facebook or any other platform, or it's playing in your PC and you want to capture it and, you know, live stream it, make sure that the desktop audio is on. That's the trick here, desktop audio. So once the desktop audio is on, the rest are normal. Click on start streaming and boom, your video is out there. So thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.